today we're gonna bring a rotary tool kit. Now, we are here in our shop right now, and of course, you're gonna need a Dremel, all right? And this is compatible with a lot of kits, all right? Now, in particular, this one right now, we just put in the brush heads because we are gonna actually remove some dust or some of our tools, all right? Now, including with it, you get a polishers, you get a lot of cutters, and a lot of different sanding, all right? All the sandpapers are included in here. The whole kit is a beautiful kit setup, if you guys can see. I will name every single one, but it's a little difficult. One of my favorite ones is this one right here. And I like that they give you all the sanders, all the different polishers, and so forth. Now, for smaller projects, there's smaller tools up here, also different types of tips, all right? Now, one of the best things about it that they include on the rotary tool, they actually have a little wrench too to actually remove it. And it's universal on all the rotary tools, so if your wrench doesn't work with it, it might not be compatible with the kit.
So this is how it's finished, and this is how it was before. So see the difference?
Polishing the tools.
Polishing it.
Love it because everything's well tidied up in there. Everything's uniform and ready for you to actually use. You guys can see. Beautiful alignment. So out of the box. Hope you guys enjoy the video.